All right, folks, here we are. Take 74. Not really, not that many. Right, we are looking out into the ocean. I'm seeing it upside down, but I will obviously invert it before posting. Now, the moon is going to be coming up fairly soon, right? I think it's going to be coming up more that way, right? But I know where it was roughly last night because I looked at the reflection. So those rocks that we can see there, I'm gonna say they must be 400 to 500 meters away. But if I zoom out, what's gonna happen is, we go to the other lens. So I need to stay fairly focused in. I haven't looked at the horizon yet to see if I can see boats and stuff because I want to catch this moon coming up. There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. Right, folks, that's the moon coming up. Come on, get into position there. Right, now then. So it started coming up, but big, obviously. Now I'm holding the telescope and I didn't want to have to do that, but this is not going to swing round to the left. So that is the moon, and that's better, that's better. Alright, that will do. That's the moon coming up. The horizon right there. See the water there? I need to swing it round a little bit more. To shift round. Right. Right. There we go. So we are spinning towards that at 1,000 and something miles an hour, and the moon is traveling apparently at 2,000 something miles per hour. That's almost. And that's the reflection. I think I'll probably just down. All right. Right. There you go. Right. So that's the reflection on the water. Look. Right. Disappeared. Now, if that was really a local moon, see, look, right now, there's no reflection on the water. There is no reflection on the water. Is there? Now we're getting a reflection. If you know what I mean. I'm gonna have to gamble here. See the reflection? I mean, that's nowhere near at the end of the horizon, is it? Look. Ah, doesn't hang about. It really doesn't hang about. Oh, God, I hate when it does. It goes to that other lens. I'm not going to be able to do nothing like that. So we're spinning towards that, and it is moving away from us. If Earth stood still, look, according to the science, right? If Earth stood still right now, that moon would go back the way it came. Ah, God, it's going to do this, isn't it? Damn, why does it do that? I've got time to mess about with lenses now, not right now. I want to see the water as well. I can see the reflection now. Ah, that is annoying. That is annoying. Right, I'm going to go down, see what's happening below this. That's the water below. Ugh. And above, look at that gap, and there's the moon. Right. And the tide has been coming in for quite some time. The tide has been coming in for quite some time. Right, what I'm going to do, because the tide is coming in, I am going to take the phone off of this, and then we're going to look at it without the telescope, and then I have to move up anyway further, and I will put it back on the telescope and look at the horizon again. Alright, we're coming off. I'm going to pause. Alright, unpause. So we've moved about 3 meters up the rocky beach, and I was going to take it off, but have a quick look here first. It's about 2 moon diameters above the water. Right, let's go and look. Right. That's as far as I'm going to go there. Right. If I pan right, see there's no water, I mean there's no reflection, and it's like, oh shit. Can't. If I pan left, alright, that's that little mark I believe. So if I go that way, oh, it doesn't take much, does it? It doesn't take much at all. Alright. Right there. And just like that, forward up. Sign means come this way. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now, that's coming closer. This is going out further. That's the horizon. So you can see, it doesn't look like magma. Let's go up. Couple of eyes there, doesn't it? Like a face and a head smoking a cigarette or just smoking 2 cigarettes. Right now I'm not touching the telescope. That moon is traveling at something like 2,200 and something miles an hour away from us. We are traveling at 1,000 and something miles per hour towards it. Wrong. The moon is traveling in the same direction as we are spinning, but we are spinning faster than it is orbiting us. So obviously this is in real time now. It's rising. It's just hard to imagine that that moon is orbiting away from us right now, right? Orbiting away from us. And the reason that it is coming up is because we are traveling towards it faster than it is traveling around us. So we're catching it up basically. Basically we're trying to catch it. But if we stopped now spinning, that moon would disappear behind the horizon. It would go woof, where it came from, because it's traveling in a westerly, easterly direction. That's the bit that messes with me a bit, right? Look, all we're doing is looking at the moon, isn't it? That's no good. Try and change the freaking lens. So I need to go. Oh, fucking there you go. Oh, shit, man. Why do I keep getting vertigo like that? So I need to go down.